Hi, Steve. Well, GOP and Democratic candidates for governor, lieutenant governor, and attorney general were riling up their respective bases today in the state capitol. These issues could fuel some fiery debates in the upcoming primary races.
Hello, deplorables!
Gun rights and gun control groups gathered by the bell tower on Capitol Square Monday, drumming up support for their causes. Second Amendment advocates celebrated the victory of President-elect Donald Trump. Republican candidates for Governor Corey Stewart and Denver Riggleman pitched themselves as leaders who would protect the rights of law-abiding gun owners.
In the Commonwealth, there are gun grabbers. One of them is right over there in the governor's mansion. It's not just enough to defend our rights. We need to further those rights.
There was a congressman who called you guys a bunch of nut job extremists. I saw that, right? So I don't think you're just deplorables. I think you're nut job extremists, too, and I'm one of you, okay?
GOP gubernatorial hopeful Ed Gillespie was unable to attend Monday's rally due to a scheduling conflict, but sent a Republican lawmaker on his behalf.
He will abolish all of Terry McAuliffe's illegal executive orders dealing with our right to keep and bear arms.
Later in the day, gun control activists talked about preventing violence by increasing background checks and reinstating the one handgun a month purchasing limit. Democrat Mark Herring is up for re-election as Attorney General, and Ralph Northam, candidate for governor, said they would support those ideas.
We've got to be doing more on the front end to keep guns out of the hands of dangerous criminals.
We've got to continue to fight and make sure that we keep our streets, our schools, our communities safe.
And last year, Steve, there was, of course, an unusual level of bipartisan agreement. The governor and the Republican Majority General Assembly struck a deal on firearms policy. It involved more out-of-state concealed carry. Handgun permits were recognized, and in exchange, those under a permanent protective order had their gun rights revoked. So far, we're hearing no similar chatter of reaching any sort of deals.